guys. Woohoo. All done. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you some jerk chicken. Alright, oven jerk chicken. So I have here roughly a pound and a half of chicken, wash, clean up with vinegar and lime juice and clean up properly. I have my seasoning, I have Maggi seasoning, jerk, some black pepper in this. I have some oil, I have my onion, I have garlic, hot pepper and a bit of ginger. All right, so I'm gonna get started now. First I'm gonna add the oil to the chicken, guys. This will assist the seasoning to penetrate the meat properly. I'm just gonna add a little salt because most of these seasons already have enough salt, and I will be using this jerk season. After which I'm gonna add all the seasoning to the chicken. So guys, it depends on your taste or you like your jerk to taste. You can add the jerk sauce accordingly. Here I add 1.5 spoon. Then I proceed to rub this in order for the meat to marinate properly. You don't need much seasoning again after those seasonings, so I'm gonna add just the onion, the hot pepper, garlic, and a piece of ginger to this now. You can also add some browning to give it a nice color when it is done, and also some pimento seed I will be adding for flavor. Alright. So here you go, guys. It is now all seasoned up. I'm gonna leave it to marinate for about 2 hours outside of the fridge before I start cooking it. It's time to oven jerk our chicken. So I'm getting the plate ready, the baking tray ready to add my chicken. The oven is already on at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna get this going. You're not seeing it, guys, but I'm adding the chicken to the baking tray before covering it with the foil paper and add it to the oven. After it is almost ready, cooked and ready, I'm gonna remove it and add some sauce to it, which I'm gonna prepare shortly, and put it back for it to finish jerk. All right, guys. For my sauce, guys, I add some of the jerk seasoning, some tomato ketchup, some water, and a little salt. And I'm gonna allow this to cook together and come to a paste to add to my chicken. The sauce is now ready, so I'm just waiting on the chicken to finish cook to add it to it. I'm checking on my chicken now to see how far they've gone. See now, guys, I'm gonna flip the chicken and then put it back, and then after which I'm gonna add the sauce and then put it back to get the color, to marinate with the sauce, and then the chicken is ready. Here we go, guys, this is my final check, and then I'm gonna add the sauce to the chicken, and then it is ready. Guys, you're gonna add the sauce to the chicken, put it back, and then take it out, flip them, add it to the next side, and then put it back to finish cook. All right. This is where I flip to the next side. Guys, I was anxious, so I checked my chicken and it's looked like this. So we have a final round to go, and then we are ready. And there it is, guys, all done. My Avenger chicken, all done. Voila. I'm ready now to serve my chicken on a platter of vegetable. And there you have it, guys, my oven jerk chicken with some lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, and the jerk sauce at the side. Enjoy. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice dish. Okay guys, and if you're watching your healthy eating, this is the way to go. So go ahead and try this meal. Okay guys, so until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.